Can dimples be made? How to get dimples naturally. Dimples are small folds or indentations in the fleshy part of the cheek. They are the result of a minor muscle deformity which causes the skin of the cheek to draw tightly as it moves, creating external divots. This adorable facial feature is usually a genetically inherited trait. However, people born without natural dimples can successfully mimic their appearance through a variety of methods ranging from the simple, makeup, to the drastic, surgery. Performing dimple exercises. Pucker your lips and suck your cheeks in. To start exercising your cheek muscles, make a face as though you just ate a lemon or something remarkably sour. Your lips should be in a slight pucker or pout and your cheeks should be partially sucked in. Your teeth should not be clenched together, as this can prevent you from sucking your cheeks in, but your lips do need to be closed. Press and hold the indentations. Locate the areas on your cheeks where the indentations are the deepest. Gently hold this spot down on both cheeks using both index fingers. Keep your fingers firmly fixed to these spots as you prepare to move your mouth. You can also hold these spots with your thumb or the rounded end of a pencil if you find it easier. Smile and reposition your fingers as necessary. Gradually ease your expression into a wide grin, keeping your fingers fixed to the same spots on your face. Your smile should be wide and open-mouthed, as natural dimples generally appear when someone has a fairly wide smile. Your fingers should now be positioned near the corners of your smile, where dimples would naturally occur if you had them. Continue pressing for 30 minutes or more. To train your cheeks into forming more lasting dimples, you will need to continue to firmly hold these indentations in place for at least 30 minutes. Repeat daily. Continue practicing 30-minute dimple exercises on a daily basis for several weeks. If a month passes and you still have not created lasting dimples, you may want to move on. Since this technique is not supported by scientific evidence, but by hearsay, if you don't eventually have success, it may simply not work for you.